Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing the Winter Fab Fit Fun box, so stay tuned. So, I got my box in the mail. This thing is like bigger than my head. It's huge. So, but I am very excited. So this is a $49.99 box quarterly. So you'll get one every, 4 times a year. And I do have a code for you guys if you want to use it. You will get this box, the first box, for $39.99, which means you guys would save $10 off. So, but let's get into this. So I am excited. I've been wanting to get into this for a while. I have already cut off the safety seal, so it would just be a lot easier to get into the box. So let me fix my seat and get into here. Oh boy, it is big. And this is what it looks like. I need more desk space. So, and this is the magazine that it comes with. You get one every single time. It tells you your prices and stuff. And I'm going to open up to that page right now, so I can tell you guys how much things cost. And it says it's giving season, so we're giving you a limited time opportunity to get Fab Fit Fun to a friend. So if someone, I have one coupon for $15 off your first box. And I also have a card for HelloFresh for $60. So I tried looking into this, but this is one subscription I can't use. I have celiac disease and they don't cater for that for me, so unfortunately. So now I am going to break open the seal. Actually, it broke. So, so the first thing I see is this Mark & Graham color block throw in gray/ivory or natural/ivory. So I got the gray/ivory. Yep. And this retails for $49. Holy crap, that's a lot of money. Let's see if I can get into it, because I don't have any scissors next to me. Nope, I wasn't thinking that clearly ahead. Throw that on the floor. Oh wow, this is really pretty. It's huge, and it's gonna keep going. That is a nice throw. I love blankets. I'm always cold. That is absolutely gorgeous. Actually, I was just gonna sit on my chair. So, let's see what else did we get here. I got this Ahava hydration cream mask, and this is $33. Oh my gosh. So this right here, plus $2 more would have paid for your whole entire box. No. Okay, my math's off, but close to it. No, the blanket definitely would have paid for the box. So this says it's enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E. This rich, creamy mask softens and soothes the skin while providing intensive hydration and comfort. So I'm gonna look at this. And of course, it's got a safety seal. And if I can get into it, it would be wonderful. Well, it smells good. Oh, I'm looking forward to using this. I love any type of face mask. I had a friend of mine on Facebook this morning was like, you're addicted. I'm like, just a little bit. They need AA for, facial mask. So, oh, and this is another thing that I'm addicted to. Hair mask. I dye my hair all the time. I've had, in the last 4 months, I've been a blonde, I've been a red. I tried to go back to my brunette, and then it went back red again. It doesn't work. It wants to be a redhead, and I don't want to be a redhead. So, but this is the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask. It says it seals split ends, straightens hair, and makes your tresses more manageable with this fortifying blend of argan oil and keratin components, and it's valued at $49. That is crazy. So, open this. My poor floor. So that is what it looks like. Oh, yeah. It is beautiful. That's thick. Yep. I'm going to be using this tonight. So, what else did I get? And then I got Maracy Anthropology Beauty Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. Oh yeah. It says it relieves dry skin. This all-natural body cream is enriched with sea whip extract, sea silt, and dead sea salt to protect, nourish, and hydrate the skin. And this is retailed at $24. So is there, no, there's always a safety seal. Open. Opens. Ah. Oh, that smells good. I want to use a little bit of that. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is very nice. Let's see what else did I get. I got this circle necklace. Is the perfect introduction piece for every woman. Explore all of Lee Stronghold's dramatic, feminine, and colorful designs. Let's open this up. Let's try to open it up. Next time, bring scissors. I cannot get it out of the pack. Oh, there it is. Oh, that is beautiful. And it's really long. It says, how gorgeous is this necklace? It's a minimalist yet statement-making piece with this dainty silver-plated brass chain and chic silver-plated circle pendant. And this also retails for $49. So that is gorgeous. And it's adjustable too. So very pretty. I love it. So next, I got Bite Beauty. Okay, where's this? Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Lipstick in Meringue. A highly impact lipstick in a peachy nude shade. This lipstick is handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear. And it's $26. Oh, that's the perfect color. Oh, yeah. I like that. Yes, I will definitely be using that a lot more. And it looks like we got a palette from Pure. And it's called Be Your Own Selfie. Interesting. If I can get into it. And it says, create endless looks with this 9-well eyeshadow palette. It has 4 velvet matte shades and 5 shimmer shades to complete any eye color or skin tone. And this retails for $36. Oh, those are pretty. Let me see if I can open it up. And it has a nice mirror. I don't want to blind you. But those are gorgeous. Let's see if I can get a couple swatches. Let's see. That's nice. Those are pretty. Oh, I'll definitely be trying this out. And next we got, I think we're almost done. Black Eye Mask Hyaluronic Acid Mesquite Port. Yeah, I can't speak French. It's not gonna happen. But these are, is your under eye area puffy or swollen? Detox and depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a fresh look. And I can't. Okay. I love these things actually. And that's what they are. And you just put them under here. Let them sit in your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes and it will help all the puffiness. I could have used this a couple weeks ago. So, and one last thing. And this is Thrive Cosmetics. Not cosmetics. And this is Bryant Eye Brightener. Ring light technology. I have a ring light right there. I don't know if it actually does anything, but that is what it looks like. It says infused with macadamia and metal foam oil. This silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes. $24. Here, let's grab a little mirror and see if it does any ring light technology. Oh, it's very creamy though. Put a little bit in my corners. Oh, I do like that though. That is nice. I wonder if you can put like here and cover up some of your circles. Yeah, actually, that works really good. Not too shabby. So this was my box, and it was pretty good. It's I don't think it was the best box that Fab Fit has done, but it's definitely makeup heavy, which I absolutely love. So, but like I said before, if you like to try this box and like to get $10 off, just use my code in the description box below. And please, everybody, please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.